Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming my favorite video to film. We are gonna be doing a haul. I have some stuff from the Morphe store, Sephora, and also Ulta. So if you guys wanna see what I got, let's go ahead and jump in. So let's go ahead and start off with Morphe. So of course, I definitely had to pick up the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I love the first one, and when I saw this one, I got so excited because I love pink, and it had a lot of like pink shades in there, along with a lot of pretty warm tones. And I actually should have reviewed this right when I got it because I got it the day it launched, but I wasn't even thinking about that or like doing a video on it. I was just like, oh my god, like I'm so excited to have it. And so I just bought it and like used it and stuff, but I didn't do a video on it. So I'm so sorry about that. If you guys do want to see it in a video, let me know. I'll do it like in a trying new makeup maybe. But this is what it looks like right here. So this is what the colors look like. They're so freaking beautiful and vibrant, and I love the fact that she has like these pressed glitters in here, but they don't really go on the eye like a pressed glitter. I'm actually wearing one right now, and they're just really like pretty and shimmery, and so far so good with this palette. I have not had any issues. I even used the black today to like deepen up this brown down here, and everything is just amazing. And I also got to save like 10% because I used a code on this, and they were doing some deal to where you got a free bag with the palette. So I got this little cute bag right here. It's just silver and glittery. It looks like the bag that her like brush collection comes in, so I think maybe they just had extra, and so they decided to use it as like a gift with purchase. But yeah, it's just black in the inside. It's really good for like brushes for when you travel. So moving on, I got some more Jaclyn Hill stuff, but this is from her own line, and I picked up one of her loose highlighters. This is in the color High Voltage, or just High Volt. I don't know why I added voltage to that. But I have the one in Balm, and oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so bomb, but it is more yellow toned, and this is the more like pinky toned one. I don't know why I went like that. I'm being weird right now, but this one is so beautiful. I fell in love with it when I first swatched it, and I had got the other shade, but I told myself I would only get one, and of course I went back to get this one. So I'm so excited to have this color. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys and take this little sifter off. Oh yeah, that's so satisfying peeling off this sticker. There we go. And this one looks like it would be too dark for me, but once you swatch it, it does get like more beaming and lighter, I feel like, because look at that, it looks freaking dark. This is so freaking beautiful and just like wet looking. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I forgot to take the foundation off my hand. I always do that. I'll like mix my like cocktail in the morning on my hand, and I'll leave it there literally all day. I washed my hands and stuff, but like, you know, like foundation stays. You have to use like a makeup remover on it. But let me go ahead and add another layer so you guys can really see the full potential of this highlight. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I love the undertone of this one. I cannot wait to use it tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'll probably do another trying new makeup with this stuff, to be honest. And I actually picked this up on a different day. So they were doing another deal when I bought this. They said that you got a free brush. And I was actually gonna check out without the free brush, and they were like, oh, why didn't you get your free brush? And I was like, what are you talking about, free brush? And they were like, on the sign, it says you get a free brush. And I was like, heck yeah, I'll take it. And they're like, only like one is left. And I'm like, who cares, it's free. But it's actually the one that I don't own already, so I'm really excited. So which one do I own? I don't know if it's around here. It's kind of like the Anastasia one. That's the one I have from her brand right now. And then they also have like the mini fan brush, which I don't think I would like that one because it looks a little stiff. And then they have this one, and this is the one that I got for free. So it's kind of like a bigger version of the other one. If I could open it. Jesus, it's really on there. I do really like her other brush, so I'm excited that I got this for free because I think they're like 20 something dollars. Jeez, I'm gonna ruin it trying to get it out of here. Watch all just the bristles rip off. Finally, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the J01 brush. It's so freaking pretty. I don't know if I would use this for highlight, maybe, but if not, I could use it for contour, for blush. I feel like you could use this for a lot of things, but I'm excited I got this as like a freebie. Okay, and the last thing that I got from the Morphe store is from Suva Beauty. You guys know I love their hydro liners, and so I got another color. This is in the shade Freezy, which is a matte blue shade. It's so freaking pretty. I'll go ahead and show you guys. If you've never heard of these, they're just water activated eyeliners. Which are really good for like graphic liner or Halloween looks. You could use them pretty much for anything. And so they're literally just dry like this, and then you add water. I always just use Fix Plus because I have it right here on my vanity. There's a little cover on it. And then you just use it as a liner. I'll go ahead and swatch it so you guys could see the color. So freaking pretty. It's like a Tiffany blue. That's what it looks like right there. And if you make it more watery, you could actually create some thin lines with it, or you could do a thicker line like that. But I just love these. Okay, so moving on to Sephora. So I picked up this freaking adorable little like set here. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. I had to get it because it's pink. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I've already owned the Watermelon Glow Mist and I'm almost out. I have like this much left, and the lights, because I have it right here on my vanity where I film, turned the like solution not pink anymore. So it's like starting to turn brown. So I was like, perfect timing for them to come out with this cute set, because I wanted to try this Watermelon Glow sleeping mask as well. And so it came with the spray with this cool packaging, which I think will protect the solution inside a little bit more because it's not clear like the other one. It's pink. I love it so much. I don't know if they did this for like Valentine's Day or what, but it's freaking adorable. And then it comes with just like the small version of that mask, which I've heard really good things about. Oh my gosh, it's like really weighted. Ooh, fancy, I like. But yeah, I just wanted to try this mask out because like I said in my last haul, my skin has been dry because I've been breaking out a lot. So I'm really excited to try this out. Let's smell her and see if she smells just as good as the setting spray. Oh yes, oh my gosh, it smells just like the mist. I love it. I kind of want to fill it too. It's really jelly-like. Ugh, that's really weird. Okay, it kind of feels like silicone, to be honest. And you're supposed to use it at night? If it has silicone in it, I'd rather just use it as like a primer than an actual skincare product, but I don't know. I'll try her out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys tried it and what your thoughts are on it, but I couldn't pass up this freaking adorable packaging because it's freaking cute. But if you guys have not tried this mist, this I know is amazing. It melts down your powders and gives you like this really pretty glow on your skin. Let me spray it. But you will run out of this really fast. Oh my god, I'm like choking on it. But I love her. And it came in this cute little bag, so I had to. The last thing that I got from Sephora was from Patrick Ta, and I got one of his monochromatic moment lip creams. You guys know I love these. I have two other colors, and I wanted to get this one for a while, and I just kept forgetting. So I got She's Unapologetic, which is the nudist of them all, and it's so pretty. I don't think I would use it on its own because it is really, really light, but I like these for like adding in the center of the lips to create like a pouty look. Oh my gosh, Hudson just jumped on the freaking desk. Oh my gosh, and now he's knocking everything down. Hudson, no, you cannot play with the balloons. No. Get down. Get down, Hudson. Oh my gosh, guys, I have these balloons in here from Valentine's Day. Show you. Don't mind my pants. But he wants them now. He wants to play with them. And he cannot. You could play with them in a minute. Just get down. Get down. Down. Oh my god. I don't think he's noticed them before, and now he's like noticing them. Down, Hudson. Get down. But anyways, what I was saying was I like these for like the center of the lips, and I like the fact that this one is not like matte, so I could do like a nudie lip but it still be glossy. So I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So that is what the swatch looks like right there. It's so freaking pretty. It's actually not as light as I remembered, but I love it. And last but not least, let me show you what I got from Ulta. So I actually still have Christian's Valentine's Day gifts in here, but I got him the Jack Black Turbo Wash. This is like a body wash slash hair wash, but he's gonna use it for his body, and it smells really good. And this stuff is expensive and bougie, but he deserved it for Valentine's Day. And then I also got him the Murad City Skin Age Defense SPF 50. I'm sorry if you guys could hear Hudson. He keeps crying over those freaking balloons. But this is his favorite sunscreen, so I decided to get him some since he ran out. I also love this sunscreen for me. It's just a really good sunscreen in general. If you guys want to see what it looks like, this is what she looks like. She's SPF 50. And the last thing I got Christian for Valentine's Day was this Pericome MD Face Finishing Moisturizer. This is his favorite moisturizer of all time, so I decided to get it for him. He just loves it for his like sensitive skin, and it's just really good for like dry combo skin, you know? And so I got that. And the last things in here were actually gratis from MAC that I got from work that I wanted to show you guys. I actually tried some of these in my last trying new makeup video, so if you guys want to see that, I'll have it in the cards if you want to see some of these in action. I ended up using both shadows. So this is from their new spring collection. It has like that clear packaging, and I got the eyeshadow in Bougie Babe and also Trumple LOL or something like that. But this one is a really pretty burnt orange shade. This is what that one looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it so you guys could see. Really pretty, like just rusty orange shade. And then the other one is more just like a bone kind of shade, just like a skin tone color. Good for setting the lid, and that is what that one looks like. Then I got two of the lipsticks, which I was mostly excited about. I'm actually mostly excited about the new blushes that came out with this collection. I'm gonna pick them up as soon as our store gets them, but we haven't gotten them yet, and they just look so pretty. I swatched them in the actual like MAC Pro store, and they're like almost wet and like spongy. Oh my gosh, it just looks so pretty. I cannot wait to buy them. But I got the color Broke the Internet, which is a really pretty mauve-y shade. This is actually the one I used in my trying new makeup video. I'll go ahead and swatch it. This one has a matte finish, and I love the packaging of it, but it does feel really cheap. And so that is what Broke the Internet looks like. And the last one I got is called Sugar Dada, and I haven't tried this one yet, but it looks really pretty. It's like a burnt orange shade. And so we'll go ahead and swatch it for the first time now. Ooh, yes. This is definitely gonna come in handy for like Thanksgiving month. That is really pretty. And so that is what Sugar Dada looks like. So that was everything that I picked up for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you love hauls, make sure to stick around because I do one on my channel every single week. And I also do 3 other videos, so 3 uploads a week. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.